Hi viewers, today we are going to see how to make sketch in CATIA V5. First I am opening CATIA V5. We have the screen like that. Then go to start and mechanical design, part design. Give any name for part and give OK. Part design screen will be like this. Then go to sketch. We have two options, one sketch and another one position sketch. Go to sketch and select any one plane in this default plane, XY, YZ, ZX. I am giving XY plane. Then in sketch mode, screen will be like this. We have the profile for sketching like this, and we have options for editing the sketch like this, and we have the options for constraints, sketch constraints. First we are going to profile options. Okay, profile options. First one is profile, freehand sketch. You draw whatever you want. Profile, you make here. Okay. Next one is rectangular. Rectangular, you select 2 points for rectangular. Any two, by clicking any two areas, we create the rectangular. Then oriented rectangular, 2 points, slanted position. Parallelogram, this is parallelogram. Elongated hole, by clicking this we create the pocket like this, elongated hole. Next one is cylindrical elongated hole. By clicking the center to any 2 points, this is a pocket. Creating this, we create the keyhole profile. Clicking this, create keyhole profile. And then hexagon, we clicking this, create a dimension. You give here angle and dimension and all. And then centered rectangle, by clicking the center you create the rectangular. Centered parallelogram, if you have the two lines like this, by clicking this we create the parallelogram. This is centered parallelogram. Next one is circle option and arc options. Circle, this is circle is by using the center you create the circle. And then 3 point circle, by clicking the 3 points we create the circle. And this is circle using coordinates. From the center coordinate, this is H and V, horizontal vertical. From 0 0 we have the center point 0 0. From this it will take. If I give 70 mm from horizontal, 70 mm from vertical, radius is 10 mm circle. Like this it will create. In Cartesian method. From polar method, from the center point to radius, how much radius and angle you want to circle. 80 mm radius and 45 degree. At this point it will create the circle. Okay. Next, tritangent circle. If we have 3 lines, if you have 3 lines like this, by clicking these 3 tri lines, it will create the circle. Okay. Next, 3-point arc. By clicking the 3 points, it will create the arc. This is 3-point arc starting with limit. Limit will take how much you want to limit. Arc, by using the center to create the arc. Then go to the next option, spline. Whatever you want spline curve, like this you create. Spline connect is, if you have two spline curve, you connect from this to curve. Next one is ellipse. Ellipse is major dia, minimum dia you want to give. Here it will come. Okay. You give this is parabola bifocus. This is hyperbola from this is conic. Like this it will come. And then line options. You create line from using this. Then infinite line. Infinite line you create here. Bitangent line is, if you have 2 lines, from 2 curve or lines, bitangent line you create like this. Bisecting line. If you have like this intersection point, you create line. That is intersection, bisecting line. If you have any curve, normal to the curve, if you want any line, you by using this option you create the normal to the curve. I am creating the curve like this. I need the line normal to the curve. If you select this option, you create the normal to the curve. This is the axis option. Axis, you create option axis from these options. Then point. By clicking this, you create the point wherever you want. This is point by using coordinates. Same as said in the circle option, Cartesian polar. I am creating Cartesian 10 mm 10 mm at that area will create the point. Then equidistance. If you have a line like this, in this line you want the points in equal distance. Like this it will come. How many points you give numbers, it will create automatically. Then intersecting point. By drawing the 2 points, intersect area it will create by clicking 2 points. Okay. Next, if you have any projected line, curve or anything, it will by using this option we create the projection point. Now we don't have any point, so if we come in projection option, that time we see this. This is operation tools. If you have any profile like this, if you want any fillet or chamfer, we use this. We have to use this. Give the radius value. Chamfer is also same. You give the chamfer dimension and all. This is trim option. If you have any opened curve like this, by using this we close it up to this. Unequal break, that is break options, curve break. This point, at that point it will create break. Quick trim options, trim the sketch curves. Like this. And then close arc. If you have arc like this, automatically it will close by clicking these options. Complement means to arc. You have like this option. By clicking this, complement option will come. Then mirror option. If you have like this profile, you want to mirror by this center axis, select the all curve and go to mirror option. By clicking this, it will automatically create the mirror option. We have like this profile, symmetry, both lines will get symmetric. Symmetric it will create. Then translate. By selecting the all curves and pick any base point to transfer the curve to some other point. If you want duplicate, we make duplicate mode and move to this point to this point. Okay. Next one is rotate. If you want to rotate, by clicking the base point and give some angles for rotation. Next one is scale. How much amount you want to scale, that much dimension you want to give here. I am giving 5. Will create the scale. Then offset the curve. How much you want to offset, give the value here. These are all options for after you created the model. From that model you take the reference. That time we use these types. That time I will explain this. Next one is dimension. Dimension the sketch. I am creating the one profile. I need to new dimension. how much length and how much width. Here I will give like this. How to identify the sketch is fully constrained. Now I am going to explain how to constrain the lines. By clicking these 2 points and this axis, go to constraint definition and make symmetry. It will automatically get symmetry. Here you see symmetric. And by clicking these 2 points, now this axis I am fixing the symmetric. Okay. Now fully green color. So this is fully constrained one. By clicking this, you see any opening or closing is there. Opening is there in sketch. Here it will come the status of the sketch. Okay. Next, this one is sketch solving status. This one is for this sketch. This is constrained, fully constrained one. We have 2 lines like this. If you want to make a parallel, give parallelism, it will create parallel. If you create perpendicular it will create. Okay. Then if you want this curve to horizontal will create. Okay. If you want vertical it will create. Length you want, length you mention here. Fix means fixing the curve at that point. Okay. These are all the option is important for the constraints. You want a particular angle you give. If you give like this, by clicking this, radius and diameter you mention here. Okay. Concentricity means same point will create. Center point is same. Coincident. If you want this line coincident to this center, by clicking these 2 points, you will make coincident. It will coincident. Okay, midpoint. This line, this midpoint to this line, midpoint to this. If you have a line like this, this also will come. This is midpoint to this. Okay. These are all of the options for constrain the sketch. Okay. These are all options is very important to draw the sketch in CATIA V5. Then if you want fit the screen, by using this fit all, you will fit the screen, and pan option is there. If you want to move any sketch and all, you use this, remove, and rotate and normal to the view. This is zoom option, this is zoom out, and multi-screen. Then if you want to change the views, you can change by using this options. View, create the any shaded and the model. If you have model, These are all options used for make to sketch easily. Wireframe mode and shading with the material, and these are all options used. Okay. Then we have snap point and grid. If you want, you enable this option. If you want to make any constraint line, by clicking this, it will create constraint line. Okay. These are the options for selection filter. If you have point in sketch, only you want to select the point only. You create by using this, make easily you select the points. After completing the sketch, go to exit workbench and your sketch is completed. Okay, thank you for watching.